Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a great weekend, and welcome to your daily update on Arbitrum. Arbitrum has not been doing great. It's kind of plagued by bearish fundamentals, but also bearish technicals. So in this video, I wanted to give you my thoughts on that. I wanted to tell you what I expect from here, and just in general give you a full overview of what's going on with Arbitrum. And hopefully at the end, you're optimally prepared for everything that's about to happen. And that could happen. So that's what we'll do in this video. Before we get into Arbitrum specifically, if you want to receive daily trading signals for crypto, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. I also made a full profitability report. If you're interested in that, just ask me in the group chat. Don't DM me because there are scammers, and I don't want you to get scammed. All right, but now on to Arbitrum. So the big thing that, technically we just continued yesterday. I covered it yesterday around here. We gave up our support around 1.25. Found brief support at this level around 1.17, 1.18, but in the end dropped down all the way to that level around 1.1. And this was, mainly, or it was heavily supported, this downfall, with what happens with the Arbitrum Foundation. They kind of went around the DAO, and they actually moved a lot of tokens worth, I think, more than $1 billion, which is obviously a very bad thing. It's a very bad start. I don't know what they were thinking. They probably think that they are a company, which somewhat is the case, but a DAO works very differently, and you cannot just do something like this. Now they have came back from this a little bit, but whether it will be able to reputation is something you cannot easily restore. So I would say it's pretty bearish for Arbitrum, but it doesn't mean that we cannot still rally, I think. And that is still what I'm expecting. I mean, we had glimpses of a rally right here at the beginning of April, or end of March, I should say. I still think we will do that, but for now, we still look very bearish. I mean, you can see that we just respected this 1.22 resistance level. You can see a bit of bullish momentum that started yesterday evening, so I do think we can get up to this level around 1.25 and 1.27, but just to be fair with you, that resistance level looks way too strong for now. And the only way we could break above that, I think, is if Bitcoin, for example, starts moving above, starts breaking out up towards 30K. Then there's a lot of bullish momentum, then we can do something like this. But now, in the light of the technicals, in the light of the resistance levels we're facing, but also knowing all the fundamentals that happened and how that kind of changed, or how I think it changes the story for Arbitrum, I think it's more likely that we will fall back down to this level we found brief support at earlier, around 1.1 and 1.11, and I think there's quite a chance that we will drop down even lower towards this 1.05, $1 level, which at the beginning of Arbitrum I said that was one of the levels I would look into for buying Arbitrum, and I still think so. This is a very strong level, and right now I think this is the best time to really reach down there, which could be a positive thing as well, because it could provide a lot of bullish momentum from that level. But yeah, I'm not saying this will happen. I think initially we will get some more bullish momentum and then drop down to that level around 1.1. And then from there, tomorrow we will see. If we barely get any support from 1.1, like here we actually got some good touches there, and we did not even reach 1.1. But if we don't get that, we could very well drop down to 1.05 and $1. But yeah, as I said, I'll keep you updated on that. For now, this is my take on Arbitrum today. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.